And we're back. In the previous episode, I was wandering around picking up these really cool guns, and so I could upgrade my normal gun, my Skedded with the reflex sight and all that. It's pretty cool deal. I think so. Now we're just gonna sneak around and look around for samples. Examine the pod. Yeah, maybe. Probably not. I'm gonna go with no. Because this thing is really huge. And I'm on like low energy, so I'm gonna just get my butt over here. Oh crap, there's a dude right there. Now there is no dude. What the heck? Oh, that's that shotgun guy. Alright, no more shotgun guy. Works for me. Whew! Mega jump. The heck is this?
You there? Prophet? You have to get inside there and sample the wreckage. You're looking for dead crew, any genetic material you can find.
A jaw. Does this have any upgrades? No. Where's that shotgun at? Okay, I had a shotgun. Where'd it go? No shotgun. Brilliant. Wait. So where's my stealthy thing? That is bull. That is so bull. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. What the heck? Do I have like 4 weapons or what? Alright, I'm just confused beyond belief. Alright, Mr. Helicopter Gunner Boy. Did I kill it? I did. Something just fell out of that chopper. Uh-oh. What is there? What is going on? Oh, it's got another gunner. I don't even know what it's shooting at. But it's failing. Or is it? I don't know. Maybe I'm the one who's failing. Leave a comment in the comments section as to how I'm doing. Feedback is nice. Oh, you stupid thing. If you kill me, you better not. Okay. That was close. Not really. This is what I'm going to do. Can't see me. I'm invisible. Except for now I got low energy. But I don't care, really. Who is shooting? Oh crap, there's a ton of guys. Or cubic butt load. Depending on your measurement system. Open the door, open the door. Open the door! Ah! Okay. Ow. I did not think that one. Uh-oh. What the heck? What am I in? Okay, I guess I'm in the wreckage. Okay. This is very intriguing. I'm in a dark red hallway with nothing really going on. Open Baja. Hold scan biomass. What biomass? I don't see any biomass. Where's the What the heck is that?
Jesus. It's human tissue. It's
It's paper.
melted down.
That's disgusting.
Without actual agent and quantity, we're wasting our time.
Oh man, look at that. I can make a splash up on my visor. That's disgusting. Look at all this melted down human. Actually don't, because that's disgusting. I don't know why you would even want... Aw, there's part of melted down human. What the heck is this? I want to answer the phone. No, not the chair. The phone. What the heck? Mom, answer the... Screw that phone. Grab the rate. No. Stupid chairs. Don't play with that thing. What is going on? What the heck? Alright, wasn't I like just here? Yes. Why am I walking all slow? What is going... Oh my gosh. Okay. Is it gonna be a bad guy or something? Or what the heck? Oh my gosh, what is that? It's Predator! The real one. Nope, nope, that's not Predator. Is that the Cylon? No, no, no! Bad robot! Bad thing. Oh crap, there's a second one. The heck? Please go away. Thank you. Oh, that was funky. That was very funky. What the heck is going on now? Oh man, this is bad. This is very bad. No, not armor. Run, dummy! Something's shooting at me. What is shooting at me? Ow, 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 ow. What is that? The heck is that? Go away. What the? Don't die. Do not die. Whatever you do not stink and die. Oh, yeah. I just got you. Give me that. Give me that blood tissue. Give me that thingy. Give it to me. Gimme. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Gimme, 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 gimme. What the heck is... Oh, man, everything's getting all weird. Suit is reboot. When is my suit not rebooting? Nano suit customization, Master. Oh, it's just tap. Threat tracker. What? I can mess with individual fingers? Where's my stealth stuff? Buy module? I'd rather, you know, reduces grain speed, Look at me wiggle my pinky. Look at me wiggle my... Wiggling! Wiggle them fingers. That's cool. Alright, reduces, what's... Highlights... Oh, yeah, I'm definitely going to, wait, bullet paths. Reduces drain speed of the... I'm thinking audience, relax. I'm just gonna get that, I guess. Alright. Now I can see when bullets are coming.
That's it.
More than human.
Prophet, head toward the FDR.
The FDR. What's the FDR? Oh, yeah. Franken Delano. I'm going to the Delano. Whew! Alrighty. I'm not going the way they want me to go, because I want to... Oh, wait. Okay, I figured it out. I figured out I was going the wrong way. Anyways, I'm gonna pause it. Thanks for watching, guys.